Did you know that wolves are crucial for the ecosystem? Let me tell you a story. Wolves are very important in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Prime example of this happened in the 1920s in Yellowstone National Park, which was home to gray wolves. The wolves were eliminated, and while it was initially thought to be great, it turned out not to be. With the absence of wolves, the park's elk population multiplied, and they fed at an unsustainable rate, devouring the aspen trees and other food sources that were needed by other animals. They even caused erosions because they ate up vegetation along the banks of wetlands and streams. All this led to the reintroduction of wolves. The wolves soon cleared up the elks, reducing their number from over 20,000 to less than 5,000. The trees and vegetation also began to recover, and other species like songbirds started visiting the park again.